Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So today's video, let out that really big annoying sigh. However you want to do it. This isn't a great video for people that love to do curbside orders. And then in-store if you like to maximize certain deals. It's going to be an end to it depending where your region is. And this is always store by store, but I've heard about 5 or 6 stores that they want to implement these rules, and they want these rules to be across the board. So I thought I would make a video sharing this with you. And a lot of this is just common knowledge if you've been a shopper at Walgreens. But a lot of this might be a little bit surprising to you, and it might explain why your orders for curbside get canceled and so on and so forth. So the first thing I want to talk about is the Saturday night double dips. Lots of content makers do really great math where you can order certain products. I believe it's between 11 close to midnight right till like 12:30 or something like that in the wee hours of the night. Too late in the night for this lady to be up unless it was like they're handing out bricks of gold. Just for a lot of toothpaste, it's not something that's of an interest to me. But I've been couponing for a really long time, so I'm looking for very specific products. But long story short, often when they have these double dips, the site crashes or it's very slow. Unless you're there right at 11:30 or whatever the double dips start, you guys would know better than me because I don't really do them. I don't do them actually. I did one in the last 2 years. It's really hard to get this order to go through. And if you've ever tried to do these, you know precisely what I'm talking about. So you would order something with 2 sale ads the week previous and the week that's happening. So for about an hour and a half, both of these sales flyer line up, and that is called a double dip. And with this weird shopping on Saturday night, you get like double the savings on a product however you line it up. Whatever the specific product is, it's advantageous to buy it during that window, which is like an hour and a half, because you will get, double the points or something like that, depending, week to week promotions. Now, what I've heard, and I'm just going to share this with you because I know a lot of you do this sort of shopping, they're trying to stop this because sometimes when you put a massive order in for one certain product, you will clear the shelves, and with the supply chain being as fractured as it is, you're clearing out the entire inventory of toothpaste. Thus, what's happening, and this was explained to me last week, say you put an order in for 20 tubes of toothpaste. It will go through initially, but when a staffer gets in the next morning at 8 o'clock and they start fulfilling the orders, if they see an irregularity of this, certain stores, the managers have ordered them just to immediately cancel it. Even if you put, substitute my stuff, they will not do a substitution for you. It will just get canceled. And they're going to try and do this, I guess from the warehouse, you can order as much as you like, but that's also harder because people really go for that. But if you're ordering it from a store, there's limitations. And I already see limitations already, but they're going to make bigger limitations and try and make this curbside pickup for people who, just want to order the odd thing from the app or the website and just drive to the store and get it. And it's not meant for people who are extreme couponers. So they're really trying to streamline this, and they want it, at many stores, because a lot of stores are getting cleared out for some of these double dips, and it always happens mysteriously on a Saturday night and then a Sunday morning pickup. So they really want to have these limits. And I've heard this from multiple staff members too. And in the last 6 months, we've seen changes where they want a minimum of $10 for your curbside order. And now they are no longer printing register rewards. I made a video on that last week. So this is just something else that I think is brewing and coming down the pipes. Also in store, and I've heard this from multiple of you guys, and I've actually heard it from staffers too, that they're out and out refusing sales. So let's just give you a quick example, and this is just fiction. This isn't an actual deal. You're buying 2 makeup wipes for $2. They're $1 each. And then you get back $2 in Walgreens cash, essentially making it for free. So if you wanted to grab, say 20, that would be 10 sets, and you'd get, your $20 back in Walgreens cash and just roll it. It would be very easy. And before in the past, you just take a cart, fill it up, walk out the store. But now because of the supply chain demands and because they might only get that truck, limited times, especially if you live in an area that's not very like near a big city, Managers are telling staffers to just deny sales, especially if a cashier or the lead shift supervisor knows, oh, that's part of a promotion this month or something like that. They want to keep some of this stuff on the shelf, and they are just denying people. So if you've gone to the store and just filled up your cart like supermarket sweeps and you're getting denied, it's not just happening to you, it's happening to a lot of people because of the amount of trucks that are showing up and the amount of supplies that maybe the warehouse has as well. So it is super uber frustrating. It's not what it was a couple years ago, and they're putting in these rules. And I've heard multiple managers refusing sales if a couponer shows up and say there's a deal such as this makeup wipe one. They fill up a cart. They'll be telling them, I can only sell you, 2 or 4 or something like that. So anyhow, guys, in the comments, let me know if something weird like this has happened to you. And if your orders are getting canceled for curbside, if you're doing double dips, don't be surprised it's getting canceled for many. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.